Hello and welcome to SaxophoneTeacher.net. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the C major 7 chord. Let's get started. So the C major 7 chord is one of the most important chords in jazz because this is the key center of all the chords. So if there's any progression or if you like movement of chords, many times it wants to resolve onto one chord. So every time you see a C major 7 chord or F major 7 chord or any other chord, many times in many circumstances it defines the key you're in. So the C major 7 chord consists of major triad 1, 3, 5 plus major third on top. So if you take the 1, 3, 5 and the 7, starting on the C, we're gonna get C, E, G and B note. And it sounds like. So then the C, E, G, B chord, as you can see, consists of, again, major triad plus major third on top. And that 7th is major, and this is one of the most important information in this chord. So the symbol for this chord is going to be C and the triangle, where the C normally stands, the uppercase letter C is basically a C triad, and the triangle stands for the major 7th, as in the major 7th interval. So the distance between C and the B is a major 7th. And just a little hint for you, the easiest way to find a major 7th in any major 7 chord is by going just a semitone down from the root, from the first note. So if it was F major 7, the major 7th would be E. If it was, let's say, G major 7, it will be F sharp. So the C triangle is basically C major 7 chord, and sometimes you can find different symbols, like just the capital letter C, M-A-J 7. So these are both perfectly fine, and the main chord is C, E, G and B. Then the default scale that you can use on this chord is the C major scale or C Ionian scale. That's just a different name from the modal scale sequence. Of course you can use some other scales, but I'm not going to cover them in this video. You can perfectly fine use the C major scale because it has got all the notes from that chord, which is C, E, G and B. Fill the gaps in between those chord tones, you're going to end up with the C major scale. Of course you can use different types of scales like Lydian or pentatonic scales. So anything that will include those chord tones inside. But for now, I would say that the default is the Ionian or major scale, and you're perfectly fine to improvise with the scales over this chord. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.